Stop by and take a look at 2016 Cadenza. The Cadenza is a new Kia model featuring European design and styling. This full-size sedan also offers a stylish, roomy, and comfortable interior and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power moonroof, rain sensing wipers, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.